Welcome to your beginner's guide to yoga. I am Mehnaz, and today I'll help you take your first steps into the wonderful world of yoga. If you've never tried yoga before, don't worry. You're in the right place. First, let's talk about the basics. Yoga isn't just about flexibility. It's about finding balance, both physically and mentally. You don't need fancy equipment either. Just comfortable clothes, a yoga mat, and a quiet space. Now, let's start with some simple poses. Begin with the mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together, arms at your sides. Take a deep breath in, grounding yourself. Feel the strength in your legs and the lightness in your chest. Next up, the cat-cow pose. Get on all fours, with your knees under your hips and your hands under your shoulders. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone. This helps warm up your spine and release tension. Lastly, the child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply. This pose is great for relaxation and stress relief. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Practice regularly and you'll start to notice improvements in your strength, flexibility, and peace of mind. Thanks for joining me today. Stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you on the mat.